Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2101 code? This code means the throttle actuator control motor is not performing within the expected range. If you ignore this issue, your engine may go into limp mode, causing poor acceleration and limited power. P2101 stands for Throttle Actuator Control Motor Circuit Range Performance. In simple terms, the ECU has detected that the electronic throttle control motor is not moving correctly or responding as expected. This system controls the throttle valve electronically drive-by-wire, which regulates how much air enters the engine for proper combustion and performance. Common symptoms include check engine light on, reduced engine power, poor acceleration, delayed throttle response, and sometimes engine stalling. In many cases, you may also see a warning like reduced engine power on the dashboard. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The throttle body with actuator motor is located on the intake manifold, where air enters the engine. It includes the throttle plate, actuator motor, and throttle position sensors. The wiring harness connects the throttle body to the ECU and is exposed to heat, dust, and vibration inside the engine bay. For quick diagnosis, start by checking throttle position data using an obd2 scanner. Then inspect the throttle body connector for loose wiring, corrosion, or damaged pins. Check for carbon buildup inside the throttle body as it can restrict movement. Also inspect the wiring harness for damage or irregular signals. If the throttle actuator is not responding properly or moving out of range, the throttle body assembly may need replacement. Finally, clean the throttle body, repair any wiring issues, replace the faulty actuator if necessary, perform a throttle relearn procedure, clear the code, and complete a proper road test. Fixing P2101 on time will restore proper throttle control, smooth acceleration, and safe engine performance.